What's up, long dogs? Lifting the skirt of the tree is just basically cutting the lower thin limbs, taking the weight off the limb, and it lifts it up. As you can see how those are lower. We've cut some in here already. Once you're finished with the whole thing, you should be able to see the neighbor or any animal that's hiding. Or when you drive, the limbs won't scratch their cars. You'd be surprised how this trimming could make a house look so much nicer. I mean, you can already see the neighbor's house, whereas before you couldn't. Así nomás. Sí. I'm teaching him how to cut, where to cut, because he doesn't have a clue, because he don't know. You'd be surprised, these simple techniques. He's learning so much. We're even doing the neighbor a favor, because this is her tree and it's growing this way. Hey! He's wondering in his head why we're cutting the neighbor's side. But it's a courtesy. He doesn't know that. I'll tell him later. And then this stuff. Woo! And then once we cut, we look back and see what needs to be cut. Man, these head trimmers are a beast. Yes, yes. Y aquí. Ese. No, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So he's got it. Now we can see. Now let's take another view from this angle. See, now you can see the neighbors. No one can hide in that tree as camouflage really well. Now he's cutting the inside, gutting it. See, now you have a separation of the crepe myrtle and this tree here. Have a good one, long dog.